Okay, hi Greta. All right, so let's see what you did. You multiplied 2 times 2. Good. In fact, here is a good way to actually, in my class, you would actually have to show me the work. So this is what I would have you do. And by the way, for future classes, this is the right way to do it. So multiply the 2's times the 2, so you could even do it in parentheses. 2 times 2. And then another set of parentheses. Since x alphabetically comes before y, well, that's x times 3. There's not an x there, so you can just put x times 3. X cubed times 1, or you could just do that. And then we have y to the negative first times y to the negative first. So look at what you did. 2 times 2 is 4. X cubed is x cubed. Negative 1 plus negative 1. You followed the laws of exponents. When you multiply two powers with the same base, you add the exponents. So you got y to the negative second. But one of the other rules is that anytime you have an exponent to the negative power, you rewrite it as 1 over x to the first. So let me give you an example. Let's say you had 2 to the negative 1. If you type in it, and get a calculator from your sister if you don't have a T130 calculator. I think she has one. If you type that in, you're going to get 0.5. So look, 2 to the first is 2. But 2 to the negative first, you can rewrite it as 1 over 2 to the first. Well, again, 2 to the first is just 2. Look at 1/2 is 0.5. So whenever you have, let me erase all this. So here, the reason I explained all of that to you, whenever you have a negative exponent, you rewrite it as 1 over, and then it's a positive exponent. So in this case, instead of y to the negative second, you would rewrite it as 1 over y to the positive second, and then I would simplify that further by just writing it like that. So let's say we had x to the negative cubed. You'd rewrite it as 1 over x cubed. What if you had 1 over x to the negative cube? Well, then you flip that, and that would become x to the positive cube over 1. So whenever there's a negative exponent, it's telling you to do the reciprocal and then give it a positive exponent. So I hope that helps. That's it for this one. Tell Grace hi.